Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Shopify URL. To find your shop's unique address, first log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once inside, look for the Settings option, typically located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Domains to reveal your current domain information. Here, you will easily spot your default Shopify URL, which is automatically generated and always concludes with myshopify.com. This is your shop's foundational online address. Your default Shopify URL is a unique identifier automatically assigned the moment you create your online store. It consistently follows a simple format: your chosen store name, followed by .myshopify.com. This address is always active and fully functional, ensuring customers can reach your shop even without a custom domain. It is perfect for initial testing, internal linking, and getting your shop up and running before you decide to personalize your web address further. While your default URL works, adding a custom domain elevates your brand's professionalism. A custom domain, like yourbrand.com, makes your shop memorable and trustworthy. You have the option to purchase a brand new domain directly through Shopify, or you can easily connect one you already own. Simply navigate back to Settings and then Domains to manage this process. Once connected, ensure you set your custom domain as the primary one for your shop. After setting up your URLs, it is essential to verify everything is working perfectly. Always test your shop's address by typing both your default and any custom domains directly into a web browser. Confirm that each one correctly leads to your online store. Also, double-check that all internal links within your shop are using your chosen primary domain. A correctly functioning URL is absolutely crucial for seamless customer access and plays a significant role in your shop's visibility on search engines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.